Let's count down to the Open with the top 10. These are the only stories you need to know about today. Olivia Stearns joining me as well as Julie Hyman on this Tuesday morning. At number 10, guys, is McDonald's. The summer's food safety scandal taking a toll on the company's profits. McDonald's forecasting a loss of $157 million in Japan this year. Its first loss in 11 years. This summer, the fast food chain took chicken products off its menu in Japan after its supplier mislabeled meat that expired.
Yikes. You don't want that McDonald's mystery meat. Number 9 is Chimerix. Shares are rising in the pre-market this morning. This after the FDA authorized the emergency use of the company's antiviral drug to treat that Dallas Ebola patient. The company also said it's working with regulators to set up clinical trials of the drug, which has yet to be tested in lab animals. Chimerix shares have surged more than 100% this year.
And number 8 is Las Vegas Sands. Deutsche Bank downgraded the casino operator to hold from buy. The firm said the company's competitive advantages are easing. Deutsche Bank has a price target of $65 per share on the stock, which is falling. In the pre-market, it's down more than 20% so far this year.
And this is an interesting story here on Amazon. Number 7, the European Union opening an investigation into the online retailer's tax practices in Luxembourg. The probe focuses on a 2003 deal with the government. It alleges that the company cut a deal to unfairly shift profits and, what do you know, avoid higher taxes.
Although it looks like investors aren't too worried about the stock is down less than 1%.
It's true. They should be happy about it in a way, right? It's saving the company money.
One stock that's getting a very nice pop this morning is Rio Tinto. Actually, shares are trading in London, where it's already the afternoon. This is after the company rejected a merger attempt from Glencore. The deal would have created the world's largest mining company. Glencore has now reached out to Rio Tinto's largest shareholder, that's Aluminum Corp of China, to gauge interest in a potential deal next year. This is all according to people familiar with the matter. Glencore has said the talks are on ice. Particularly now that the deal has gone public, it's very likely that the price would go up. They'd have to pay a premium and go hostile, something Ivan Glazenberg, a trained accountant, the CEO of Glencore, is very unlikely to want to do. But what he's hoping to do is sweep in and buy Rio Tinto cheap because the price of iron ore is down 40% this year.
Incredible.
And also sort of related, farm equipment, staying with commodities in a way, AGCO, which is a farm equipment maker, cut its full-year profit forecast for the second time, saying business has been hit by broad sales declines and currency fluctuations. AGCO shares fell as much as 11% in early trading.
Finding that link, Julie.
I was trying. I was really trying there.
Glencore is in soft commodities. It was there. The link was real.
Okay, good.
Number 4 is MGM Resorts. Deutsche Bank upgraded the casino operator to buy from hold, saying the recent pullback on Macau concerns creates attractive valuations. This firm also said MGM's potential upside in Las Vegas likely to outweigh any negatives on Macau.
And at number 3, it is Dunkin' Brands. Have you tried the pumpkin spice donut? Jefferies is downgrading the stock to hold from buy, saying it sees no near-term catalyst for a significant move in the stock and fierce competition in the quick-serve breakfast segment. The firm also lowering its price target for Dunkin' shares to $47.
Number 2 is the Container Store. The company reported second quarter earnings that matched Wall Street estimates but slashed its sales forecast for the year. Shares tumbling to a record low on the news. They're continuing to crash in the pre-market.
And number 1, guys, is SodaStream. Shares are fizzing in early trade after quarterly sales of its at-home carbonation system fell short of estimates, down, you can see, in the double digits. CEO Daniel Birnbaum is now calling for change, saying the company must alter its course and improve execution across the board. Remember when they were just flying high and saying they were going to cut Coca-Cola and PepsiCo and obliterate them?
It was the Scarlett Johansson boost.
Yeah, exactly.